What is electricity? Just like heat and light, electricity is also a kind of energy which is not visible but whose presence can be determined from its effects. Types of electricity. Electricity is of two kinds: static electricity and dynamic electricity. Static electricity. These types of electricity is produced by friction and cannot be taken from one place to another. This kind of electricity cannot be produced in bulk quantities. Static electricity is usually created when materials are rubbed together like wool on plastic or the sole of your shoes on the carpet. This process occurs positive charge to collect on one material and negative charge to collect on the other surface. Experiment. Run a comb through your hair to charge the comb with static electricity. The comb can now be used to attract neutral or piece of tissue. Now, dynamic electricity. Dynamic electricity is also known as a current electricity and can easily be taken from the generating station to far off place by means of wire and cable. These types of electricity is generated in powerhouse in bulk quantities at high voltage. Now, current electricity produced by flowing methods: electromagnetic induction, chemical effect, heating effect, and lighting effect. Electromagnetic induction. The magnetic effort of electric current is used in generating dynamic electricity in all types of DC and AC generator. Chemical effect. Current electricity is also generated by means of cell and batteries but cannot be produced in huge quantities. Heating effects. In a thermocouple, electricity is also produced by heating the junction of it, but its value is also very small. Lighting effects. In solar cell and photo cells, light rays are used for the developing current electricity. Flow of electric current. The flow of electron in one direction in a conductor is called electric current. Movement of electron from positive to negative when potential difference is applied. The flow of electron is from end B to end A because electrons have negative charge and are attracted by the positive end A. The drift of electron is from negative to positive. Example of opposite to the conventional direction of current, which always follow from positive to negative direction. Electron drift. The steady flow of free electron under the application of potential difference is known as a electron drift. The following are the different way by which free electron can be made to drift in circuit: by friction, by heating, by magnetism, by chemical effect. Current electricity is of two types: direct current and alternating current.